Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a membership website in WordPress. So as you can see, I have a website like this, and you can see you can create different type of membership website like business consulting, online course or membership community, or you can offer premium content by offering membership plans. So here in this video, I'm going to explore the ARMember plugin in WordPress. So you can see all these features, like you can set up multiple free or paid plans, you can set custom billing cycle, you can set plan wise membership profile, you can give restricted access to your pages, you can set user role management, paid post or course with plan. So you can sell course using this plugin, you can sell digital products with this plugin, and you can see keyword based URL blocking, built-in security options, menu restrictions. We have the auto lock shared account, conditional redirect. So there are plenty of options in this plugin, so you can explore all these. So here you will also get some add-ons for different type of integrations. So you can see all the add-ons, so you can use it for online course, you can launch your affiliate program with affiliate press, you can create a social community, you can send SMS notification, WhatsApp notification, you have the digital download option, member network site, group or umbrella membership, PDF creator, and here these are the payment gateway that supports with this plugin. So you will get a lot of options using this plugin. So let's check how we can use this ARMember plugin in WordPress, and we will see what are the options that you will get on this plugin. So let's get started. And before that, if you found this type of content helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So here you can see the pricing of this plugin as well. So it comes with a free version, and you can unlock more advanced feature in its premium version. So in free plan, you can use it with unlimited websites, and here you can see 19 inbuilt add-ons and 2 payment gateway support. And with standard plan, it will cost you $69 per year, and here you will get 57 plus built-in add-ons, 5 payment gateway, and you will get 17 premium add-ons as well. You can see the payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfer, WooCommerce payment gateway, and all these options are there. And here you will also get professional plan and enterprise plan, so you can see all the features here. So you can compare with different membership plugin. So ARMember will cost you $69 per month, where it competitors like MemberPress will cost you $399 per year, and we have paid membership WooCommerce subscription, ultimate member. So you can see the comparison as well. So let's quickly install the ARMembership plugin in our WordPress website. So for this, what I can do is I will just go to plugins and I will click on add new, and here you need to upload the plugin. So I will include the plugin link in the description. Just download the plugin and just upload it in your WordPress dashboard. So let me choose the plugin and I will click on install now. Alright, the plugin is activated now. You will see a new option ARMember. Just click on that, and here you will see a startup screen like this. So you can see all the features. So let's click on getting started. Now in the general options, you can see you can automatic approve your new users, or you can approve through email verification, or you can manually approve your new users, and you can set the default currency here. So all these currency are supported. So here we have selected US dollar. Now you can set like restrict your entire website without login. So I don't recommend you should enable these options, and you can send anonymous users statistic data to ARMember. If you want that, you can enable this option. Let's click on continue. Now here you can set different membership plan. So this is the plan type. So you can set like default plan, or you can set it like free plan. Now here you need to set the membership plan. So you can enable free plan or paid plan. So you can set it like standard, and you can set the plan amount. So let me set the membership price to $50. Now you can also paid plan finite, or you can add a subscription or recurring payment as well. So let's click on continue. Now here you can set the payment options. So you can enable Stripe payment gateway, or you can enable PayPal payment gateway. Now you can see content access. So access rule is the main core feature of ARMember plugin. Very easy interface to manage content protection on site in accordance with the related plans. So you can see the plan name standard, and you can select the pages where you want to give restricted access. So once a user purchases the membership, then they can access the lessons page. Otherwise, they won't be able to access these pages. So let's click on continue. All right, our setup is completed. So you can see the member registration page. So let me copy it and let me open it in a new tab. And this is the sign up page where user can enter their username, first name, last name, and enter the email address and password and create a new user account. So let me quickly do that. All right, I entered all the details. Let me quickly submit it. Let's go to the page, and here you can see the member login page. So let me copy that and let me open it. And I am already logged in. So let's go to the website, and here you can see you can edit the profile. So you can link all the links in your header section so that user can access your website properly. So let's click on explore ARMember, and the basic setup is completed. And as you can see, this is the new user that I just sign off on this website, and you can see the username and the email address, and the membership plan will show up here. So let me quickly go to the menu, and here you can add your ARMember login pages. So let me click on ARMember forms, and here you can add all these details like sign up and login. Let me click on add to menu, and I can rename it like login, and I will add the login and sign up link like this. Let's click on save changes. Now let's go to pages, and here you can see all the pages that is created by ARMembership plugin. First one is the change password, edit profile, forgot password, guest login, login page, registration page. So you can view the link here as well. So you can access all these pages like login pages and sign up pages. So let me go to the website in an incognito mode. And you can see this is the incognito mode. So let me click on sign up, and you can see a pop-up like this where user can enter username, first name, last name, and sign up in this website. And here they can enter their username and password and log into your website. Now let's explore all the settings of ARMembership plugin. So first one is the member plan. So here you can create different type of membership plan. So first one is the free membership. Then we have the standard membership, which is the $50 for lifetime. So you can edit it. And here you can see the paid plan is infinite. So that is the lifetime plan. You can change it to finite, and you can give access to, let's say, 1 month or 1 year. So the membership will be active for next 1 year from the assigned date, and you can end of the term remove this plan from the user, and you can also give a grace period. So let me set a grace period of 7 days. So if the plan expire, they have the 7 days grace period to renew their membership plan. So you can also enable upgrade and downgrade option as well. So they can upgrade to higher membership plan as well. So this works like a YouTube membership where they can given access to restricted content which is only available for members only. So you can create different membership plan using these settings. Now let's click on configure plan and sign up page. So here you can set the user journey. So you can see this is the default setup where you can select all these plans, and you can assign the payment gateway. You can set up the registration form. So if someone is logged into your website, then the form will be skipped automatically. And you can see the form inputs like submit, enter coupon code, apply coupon code, and all these options are there. So you can display a payment summary like your currently selected plan amount, and coupon discount amount. So you can set up all these settings here. And you can also break your sign up steps into 2 steps. So in the first step, you will see the plan and payment cycle, and in the next page you will see the sign up form and payment gateway options. And here you can see the plan scheme, so you have some predefined styling options, so you can select that, and you can set the like plan selection area position before registration form, or select payment gateway scheme. So you can see all these options like radio option, drop down options. So for now, let me click on save. Now let's go to manage form. Here you will see the registration or sign up form, your login form or profile form. So you can edit all these registration form here. So by default, you will see username, first name, last name, email address. So you can add something like URL field. So they have to enter their URL. You can add a country field as well, like this. And here you can adjust the color scheme. You can enable Google reCAPTCHA. You can display login link, and you can see like already have an account, then you can log in like this. You can display this using this option. Next, you have the submit action, configure submit redirection, or you can enable hidden field as well. So you can add the title key, so that is not needed. So let me click on save. Now let's go to manage form, and let's see the login form here. Let me click on edit form, and this is the login form. So you can adjust the width. So form width, you can adjust that. You can set the input style like this, material style or standard style, or you have the rounded style like this. And here you can remember me checkbox if you want to enable it or not, and display registration link like don't have account, sign up like this. And you can enable hidden field, enable Google reCAPTCHA. So it's quite feature rich. And this is the forgot password form and the change password form like this. So you can adjust everything using this plugin. Now let's go to content access rule. So here you can give access of your pages on different membership level. So by default, free membership is allowed to the whole website, and for the setup page or thank you page, so let me select the lesson page, and lesson page is only allowed to standard users. And let me enable about us page, and you can give access to free users and both paid users. So all the membership level will be able to access the about page, but the lesson page is only available to the standard users. So this is how you can restrict your content and restrict your pages. So let me click on update rules. Now let me log into the website and test it. So here I am not logged into this website. So let's go to lesson page. And you can see this is a restricted page. So if I logged into this website, then I can access this page. So let me quickly remove this restriction. Let's click on update rules. Let's click on lessons, and now I will be able to access the lesson page. So this is how the content restrictions works in this plugin. Now let's click on manage subscriptions. Here you can see all your members data. You can see the membership ID, membership username, name, starting date, expiry date, or the payment gateway they have used, total amount. So you can see all this data here. So you can also see upcoming subscription or all activity here in this tab. Now let's click on payment history. So here you can track the payment history, or you can also add a manual payment if you want. So you can set the username, you can set the plan they have used, total amount they have paid, and you can add manual entries here as well. Now you can control the email notifications. Here you can manage all of your emails that is being sent using this plugin. First one is the sign up completion notification to admin. So whenever someone sign up in your website, a new user registration email will be sent to the admin email. So you can edit all these emails like this. So you will receive the full name, email address, and the last name, username, and all these details. So you can see all the templates. You can use it here in this place. So let me close this, and you can see you have changed password, email, forgot password, profile update, user enter a grace period, then the automatic reminder email will be sent to your customer to renew the membership. We have the failed payment notification and manual user activation. And here you can see hide admin bar, rename WP admin. You can hide login pages, hide register links. So all these options are there. We have the spam protection, image cropping options, gravatar options. So there are plenty of options using this plugin. So you can explore all these settings here. You have the default currency, so you can set it according to your country. And then you have the performance load JS and CSS in all pages. So it is not recommended that you should load all these on all pages. And we have the email notification. You can use SMTP server if the WordPress server is failed or it is not sending email. You can use a custom SMTP server and you can enter all these details like this. Now you can enable Google reCAPTCHA here. So you can enter site key and private key and enable Google reCAPTCHA on your registration page or login page. So it is quite helpful. So you can see the front end font setting. Now you can see payment gateway option. You have PayPal, Stripe to check out bank transfer, and with the add-on options you can explore different payment gateway as well. Let's click on page setup, and here you can set the registration page and login page. So if you have manually created all these pages, then you can assign this one is the register page and this one is the login page. So you can assign all the pages from here. So let's suppose this is the login page, then you can select that login page. So let's click on default restrictions rules. Like you can restrict your admin panel. So for non-admin user, you can restrict that. You can block RSS feed. You can restrict your entire website without login, or you can allow restricted pages as post in listing. So all these options are there. You can see the security options like login attempt security, maximum number of logged in attempted, lock user temporarily for 10 minutes. So if someone enter 5 wrong login attempt, then they will be locked for 10 minutes. So you can set all these rules. You can set permanent locked after login attempts, and permanent lockdown duration is 24 hours. And here you can import and export all of your user data, membership status, joining date, so that you can keep a backup of your data. You can see the redirection rules, common message. So all these options are there. So you can explore the add-ons as well. So you can add different add-ons like social features, drip content, social content. You have the pay per post, so you can individually give access to a particular page, so they don't have to purchase the membership, they can pay for a particular page. You can enable coupon code, and here we have the multiple membership or plans, membership limit, API services. So all these options are there. So you can also integrate it with WooCommerce to accept the payments. So I hope you got the idea about how the ARMembership plugin works and how you can use it on your WordPress website. And you have also documentations. So here you can see all the videos and how you can set up the plugin, how you can install the plugin, how you can activate the add-ons, how to manage ARMember license. You have how to manage languages, how to use ARMember Gutenberg blocks, ARMember advanced shortcode library. So you have all these options, like you can check how the membership plan works, like paid pages or post and setup. So basic pay per post setup with ARMembership plugin. So you will get a detailed documentation on how to use this plugin. So if you still have doubt, you can ask me in the comment sections. So make sure to check out ARMembership plugin. The link will be given in the description. And if you found this type of content helpful, make sure to hit the like button.